In this video, guys, we are wrapping up from part 1, so please go over and check that video out, and we're just kind of picking up where we left off. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. It'll be very short, and please hit the like and subscribe if you're not already.
Let's put that over there. Okay, let's get our shape in here again.
They're still north of us, though.
Huh.
Like Gainesville, Sherman.
Uh-huh.
I must expect some Tuesday. So see, Tuesday it's supposed to rain, and then Wednesday it's supposed to be.
Well, guys, I got in my own way here, and I got off camera, and we got to chatting, and yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of pick up where we can see things a little bit more clearly, and this will be a very short video for part 2.
Do you like the mixed metal?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
I
I
do
like.
too.
Yeah, I like the mixed metal.
Okay. Let's see. And is that enough? I feel like that's enough.
Yeah.
You like it?
So there's the wait. Where's,
Does it look like turquoise?
there's
Oh,
the
yeah,
ins-
her
there's the
ring.
inspiration.
Like actual stones. So there you go.
I know. Didn't it look good with? Won't it look good with her ring?
Oh, okay.